Hey there, lovebirds and savvy entrepreneurs. Ever wondered how some online stores seem to magically capture the Valentine's Day spirit and rake in the sales? What if I told you the secret might just lie in curating the right products? Valentine's Day. The air crackles with anticipation. The scent of roses fills the florist shops, and the digital marketplace buzzes with gift-seeking shoppers. It's a peak season, a golden opportunity for e-commerce businesses to connect with customers on an emotional level and, yes, boost those revenue numbers. But let's be honest, wading through endless product catalogs can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. You need items that resonate with the romantic vibe, that speak the language of love, and that your customers will actually want to buy. That's where Oberlo comes in. Think of it as your trusty Cupid, ready to arm you with a quiver full of potential bestsellers. Today, we're diving deep into some fantastic Valentine's Day Oberlo finds that could be the secret ingredient to your store's success this February. We're not just talking about generic chocolates and teddy bears, though those have their place. We're exploring unique, thoughtful, and even a little bit quirky items that can help your customers express their affection in memorable ways. First up, let's talk about personalized gifts. In a world of mass-produced everything, a touch of personalization goes a long way. Imagine a delicate necklace engraved with the couple's initials, a custom-printed phone case featuring a cherished photo, or even a star map showcasing the night they first met. Oberlo is brimming with suppliers offering these kinds of customizable treasures. These aren't just gifts. They're keepsakes, tangible reminders of special moments. They tap into the desire for unique and meaningful expressions of love, making them a powerful draw for Valentine's Day shoppers. Next, let's consider the experience. Valentine's Day isn't just about physical gifts. It's about creating moments. Think about items that facilitate connection and shared experiences. How about a beautifully packaged DIY cocktail kit for a romantic night in? Or perhaps a set of luxurious aromatherapy diffusers and essential oils to set a sensual mood. Oberlo offers a variety of such experience-enhancing products, from cozy home goods to fun activity sets designed for couples. These gifts cater to the desire for quality time and shared memories, adding a layer of thoughtfulness beyond a simple material present. Don't underestimate the power of self-love either. Valentine's Day isn't exclusively for couples. Many people use this time to indulge in some well-deserved pampering. Consider offering luxurious bathrobes, high-quality skincare sets, or even stylish jewelry that celebrates individuality. Oberlo has a great selection of self-care items that can appeal to this often overlooked segment of the Valentine's Day market. By catering to self-love, you broaden your audience and tap into a growing trend of prioritizing well-being. Now, let's get a little more specific with some product categories you might find on Oberlo. Think about couples gifts that are both practical and sweet. Matching mugs with funny or endearing slogans, his and hers keychains, or even a shared journal for documenting their adventures together. These items are often affordable and offer a daily reminder of their connection. Another promising avenue is unique tech gadgets with a romantic twist. Perhaps a portable Bluetooth speaker for setting the mood with their favorite love songs, or a digital photo frame to display cherished memories. Oberlo often features innovative gadgets that can appeal to tech-savvy couples looking for something a little different. Don't forget the power of presentation. Even a simple gift can feel extra special with thoughtful packaging. Explore Oberlo for suppliers offering elegant gift boxes, personalized ribbons, or even small add-ons like scented candles or romantic greeting cards. These details elevate the perceived value of your products and create a more memorable unboxing experience. When sourcing your Oberlo Valentine's Day items, remember to consider factors beyond just the product itself. Pay attention to supplier ratings, shipping times, and product descriptions. Read customer reviews to gauge the quality and reliability. A smooth and efficient buying experience for your customers is just as important as the gift itself. Marketing these items effectively is crucial. Use high-quality product photos and videos that evoke the romantic spirit of Valentine's Day. Craft compelling product descriptions that highlight the emotional benefits of gifting these items. Run targeted social media campaigns showcasing your curated Valentine's Day collection. consider offering bundled deals or special promotions to incentivize purchases. Think about creating gift guides on your store, categorizing items by relationship type, e.g., gifts for her, gifts for him, gifts for couples, self-love treats, or by price point. This helps your customers navigate your offerings and find the perfect gift more easily. Collaborate with influencers in the romance, lifestyle, or gift-giving niches to promote your Valentine's Day collection. Their authentic recommendations can reach a wider audience and build trust in your brand. Finally, ensure your customer service is top-notch during this busy season. Be responsive to inquiries, handle returns efficiently, and go the extra mile to create a positive shopping experience. Word-of-mouth marketing can be incredibly powerful, especially during a gift-giving holiday. By strategically leveraging Oberlo and focusing on unique, thoughtful, and well-presented items, you can transform your online store into a go-to destination for Valentine's Day gifts. It's about understanding the emotions behind the occasion and offering products that help your customers express their love and appreciation in meaningful ways. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.